and happy Monday to you. Check this out. I'm on the chairlift. I gotta admit, this is a little bit scary. I'm at Natural Tunnel State Park in the great state of Virginia. I actually came in here yesterday. Oh gosh, we're stopped. From Shenandoah River State Park. I've never been here. I actually had to drive into Tennessee and then navigate west and north back up into Virginia. Have not been in this part of the Appalachian Mountains before. Close by is the Daniel Boone Wilderness. Oh boy. Wilderness route, highway, byway. So this is Natural Tunnel, and I'm just gonna let you ride along. I have to admit, I love doing this sort of stuff on a Monday. I worked for about 5 hours on the Gutsy Women Club. This is gutsy. This is gutsy. It's no big deal, but if you're not fond of heights, it can be a big deal. So yeah, I worked for about 5 hours, and then Mondays are fabulous to do something like this. It reminds me that I'm not at the office. Hey. And I have flexibility, so I can put in my hours, and then I can do my trails or whatever it is that I want to do for the day. This is wild, isn't it? Just look at this. Yep, see my tie-dye shoes? My tie-dye hikers. You can always find me on the trail. Just ask for the woman in the tie-dye shoes. Beautiful day today, high 70s. Rain this morning. I've got the hang of this. Hi. Tell you one thing I love about staying at the state parks, people seem very friendly. Been really impressed with the Virginia state parks. Great campsites. Affordable, well maintained, even laundry facilities. Been very, very happy. Okay, I survived, almost down to the bottom part. And then time to snap some photos.
How are you?
Good, thanks for the ride. And I'm here. Okay, you want to come for a walk with me? Tunnel observation platform. Let's see what we're into. Natural Tunnel State Park. Don't look up. The pinnacle above you is the legendary Lover's Leap of Native American Indian lore. Oh my word. The name refers to a legend about a Cherokee maiden and Shawnee warrior who fell in love and wanted to marry. Even though both tribes claimed this area as a hunting ground, laws forbade a marriage between the tribes. Forced to abandon their dream, the young lovers met in the black of night and climbed this pinnacle. The next morning, as the sun rose above the mountains, the lovers leaped to their death in hopes of being united in an afterlife. Okay, that is quite the story. Onward. Okay, let's see if I can have you grasp the whole concept here. The other great thing about Mondays, very few people. This is social distancing at its best. Active railroad. So we got a railroad cutting through here yet. Cool. Check this out. Okay, I will comply with Virginia law and common sense. What used to be common sense. We've got people up ahead.
Hold on, yeah, but you cannot cross. You have to wait.
Natural tunnel. Here's the natural tunnel. Can you imagine being on a train? Heading through here, there's not a lot of leeway there. All right, folks, just another Monday adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. Gonna take some photos and hang out here for a while and soak this all in. Have a good one.